Evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 21st, 2024. We have here three puzzles already done: the 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. It's now time for the JigsawSudoku, aka Tectonic. In that they call it cyber block in Japanese, Suguru. This one will be number 9635. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits, 16 double O's and numbers. But the publisher has indicated this one with 4 stars for 4 stars puzzle. We need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to use, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here's single box, there's single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here only 1 dual box. No, 2 dual boxes. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be 2. The 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Same for here, the 1 and the 2. We have 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? No triple. Oh, here we have a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 3 is already given, so the 1 and the 2 are left. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, same for the other side, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 here in the same area, so it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? We have here 1 quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and 4. Well, insufficient information could be every number here. 1, 2, and the 4. We have a 3 here in this quadra box. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box, rotated. This one, mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. 3 of this kind of shapes. And the following shape, how about the L shape? This one, upside down. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only 1 of this kind of shape. Then the following shape, the last shape, I believe, this shape. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this cross area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left with a 5 in this cross area. Should be here. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area. 4 numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then these two boxes can be a 2. Those two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. Then these two boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. These two boxes can be a 3. Those two boxes can be 3. So around the 3 can be 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. Then this box can be 1. That box can be 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and 4. We have 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. This one is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. These two boxes can be 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Then let me see. Well. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. Well, 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 numbers. 1 and 3 is connected with that box. Should be so 1 and a 3. But we already have a 1 here, so it can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be so 3. So one box left in this area for number 1. These two boxes can be 3. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 3 and 1 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 1, 3 and 1 is connected with that box. So it's a 3 and 1. But it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it should be a 3 is connected with that box. Should be so 3. And here I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Well, we have a double 2 here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 should be here. 4 and the 2, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for number 1. And the 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then this box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. Alright. Two numbers left for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. These two boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area are numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Then these 3 boxes. So 1 and 5 can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 5. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and a 3. We have 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then this box can be 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. But also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 3. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area from this 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. Then let me see. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 4 and 5, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well, told you cannot be a 4 stars. Not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Should be a 0 stars and faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.